Hey everyone, you may remember not too long ago we made a Paris Blue cocktail, and although it tasted pretty good, it really did look quite hideous. So, the fact is that you taste with your eyes as well as your taste buds. I really wasn't happy with the end product. So I've been tinkering with it a bit, and I've come up with what I think is not only a much more appealing looking cocktail, but it actually tastes really good, like a lot better, even though the previous cocktail was, pretty good anyway. So tonight we're going to be making what I'm calling a French Blue. So what do we need for this? We need half a banana. We need Malibu coconut rum. We need blue curacao. We need strawberry liqueur. We also need vanilla vodka and cream. Let's get started. You will need a blender and you'll also need a cocktail shaker. So in the blender, I've added some crushed ice. Seems to get a bit stuck. So let's put the banana in. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to blend together the banana, the Malibu and the blue curacao with the ice. Okay. So Malibu, we need 30 mils or 1 ounce. And for blue curacao, we need 15 mils or half an ounce. Okay, let's blend this. Okay, so we don't need the blender anymore. So just pour this into the glass. What we now need to do is we're going to get the strawberry liqueur. We need 15 mils or half an ounce. Now just make sure you've got a clean 50 ml measure jigger, just because we don't want the blue and the red to mix. I am going to pour that into the drink, but I'm going to pour it down the side so it doesn't really mix in. So just kind of give you a kind of seam, a little dribble, a stream of strawberry. Okay, now we're going to use the cocktail shaker. So you will need vanilla vodka. So now we're going to pour in the vanilla vodka, and we need 30 mils or 1 ounce. And we also need 60 mils or 2 ounces of cream. As always, I'm using thickened cream. Okay, let's give this a shake. We don't need too much of a shake because we just want to really get that mixed up. Okay, just pour this on top. Don't worry too much about it mixing in because we're going to give it a swirl. Okay, so now what we need to do is grab a spoon, just go around the outside of your glass and just very gently give it a swirl coming in to the center. We don't want it to mix up completely, but we just want to make sure we get all those flavors mingling. Wow. See, this to me looks very appealing. Honestly, that is amazing. Okay, so a coaster. and a straw, using a glass straw. I find the glass straw is really good because it doesn't affect the flavour at all. You just have to be a little bit careful that you don't drop it for one or bang your teeth on it. There we go. A French blue, which I think is a much better improvement on the Paris blue. So let's give it a try, will we? That is really good. I've got a bit of strawberries stuck in the bottom, so you know, you can keep swirling while you're drinking it and enjoying it. Very relaxing, getting more and more relaxed into the weekend after a very busy week. Well, there it is. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I really look forward to seeing you again next week for another cocktail.